In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall Vivaldi browser or app on your Windows computer. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so to correctly uninstall this, you need to go ahead and find control panel on your computer. If you can't see this control panel up, then go to your start menu on your Windows computer, whether it is Windows 10 or 11, and then just search for control panel like this, and you can see it is here. It is under system. Now under this, look for the option called programs and features, and then tap on it to open. You will be presented with a list of all the programs that are installed on your computer. Go ahead and look for the one that you wish to uninstall. For my case, I'll wish to uninstall Vivaldi browser app, and here it is. Once you get it, now right click on it and you should see we have an option to uninstall here, or you can also see on top here uninstall. If you click on this, minimize this, and you should see we have an option to uninstall here. You are also asked to check this box if you also wish to delete your browsing data. So I'll check this because I want to uninstall everything and then proceed to uninstall. By clicking on that, the program and its file will be permanently removed or uninstalled from my computer, and as you can see, the program no longer appears on my Windows computer. So that's how you can uninstall Vivaldi browser app on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.